sleep with some of that shit by the nightstand, you feel me? I got some Rolexes in there, a couple of chains, you know what I'm saying? QC piece in there, you know what I'm saying? Just a little bit. That's just a little bit when I go to sleep. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my God. That's straight from, that's all academic. That Academics bought your album like 20 times, I ain't gonna lie.
Then if I come over here, you know what I'm saying, to the box, I ain't gonna show too much.
Nah, show us. Hold on. I gotta see where we going first. Hold on. Alright, go straight. It's straight. It's gonna be on your left.
You never been there before?
Nah, never been there. Yo, Yachty's about to show us his jewelry collection. He don't got more jewelry than me, but he up there.
Yeah, alright, nigga. That nigga Yachty had jewelry for days.
I'm just gonna crack this open on the Versace sheets. I'm gonna crack it open on the Versace sheets.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? We got King Bo himself.
Oh shit.
Yeah, just give me the address, nigga.
Yeah, it's on there. Oh wait, yo. All right, he got the Bar Simpson. He got the. Yeah, bro, I ain't gonna lie. Where's the diamond tester? Where's the diamond tester on this nigga?
I got my Cuban link. Nigga, I got the biggest Cuban link in the rack game.
No, you don't. I do. My shit, 1.5 kilos.
I promise you, my shit is almost 2 kilos. I guarantee you, my kilo is bigger than yours. With the crazy hair, I look crazy, bro.
Oh shit, bro. Nah, that's how you look on the regular. That's how you look in the Colite, Minnesota video.
Yeah. Yachty got a mugshot. He look just like that. Deadass. That's how you look in his mugshot. Deadass, just like that.
Yo, Yachty look like half of these niggas' baby mamas.
Nah, I do look extra crazy. I look extra crazy. I got my shit right here. My shit right here. My Cuban link.
Oh shit, look at this shit. Yo, we should. Yo, me and Academics about to snatch that shit for some clout.
Yeah, you gotta watch your back. You gotta watch your own back.
Yo, you heard Yachty? After we snatch shit, you gotta buy it back. You gotta buy it back from us.
You know niggas can't wait to take your shit.
I know they. Yo, bro. When they snatch my shit, you gonna buy it back from me?
Nigga, I'm broke.
Yo, Yachty, buy it back.
I negotiated the price. How much you want to buy your shit back for, though? Put the price out there right now.
Yo, if you pay more than you paid for your chain you bought to get it back.
Yo, Yachty, don't say that because there's mad rappers right now watching that did that.
No, hold on, no, wait. Is it like disrespectful to buy your own chain back?
I don't know, bro. I don't know. I don't know. I've seen rappers say no, bro, because shit happens, bro. I don't think you're not hard if someone about to shoot you, bro. Like, it's materialistic, you feel me? This shit is, we could buy 10 of these shits.
Nah, I know, but it's disrespectful to make a...
Nah, I'm not
yo, here, put this in your phone. It's disrespectful to make a nigga buy your chain back, like...
Yeah. No, yeah.
Yo, Yachty. How many niggas be their chains be getting booked more than them, bro? Their chains literally be in every state before they even touch down. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, they'll get booked by a promoter before they get booked for a show.
I don't know, bro. I don't got nothing to do with that, bro. Cause I ain't gangster, bro. You feel me? I ain't never tried to act like I was gangster.
Yo, Yachty, no funny shit, bro. Yo.
I just got gangsters around me.
Niggas chains be going around.